students, welcome you all to another class of Brainiac's doubt clearance session. Okay, so we have a new question in front of you. Okay, so we'll try to do how this question. A solution of sucrose has been prepared by dissolving 68.5 gram of sucrose in 1000 gram of water. The freezing point of the solution obtained will be Kf of the water is given as 1.86 Kelvin kilogram per mole. So how to do this question here? So first of all, we will analyze. They are telling sucrose is there and it is prepared by dissolving it in water. So we know that the solution, okay, the solution we are speaking is made up of two things. One is sucrose and sucrose in water. Okay, so this is the solution they are speaking about. Now, how much amount of sucrose is dissolved in water that they have given. So we will say W1 as the weight in gram of the solute. So that is given as 68.5 gram, correct? And W2 that is the mass of the solvent in gram we will say, okay? So that is 1000 gram, that is water, correct? So this is water and this is sucrose. Now what they are asking you, the freezing point of the solution obtained will be. So they are not asking the depression in freezing point, they are asking the freezing point value itself. So we know that delta TF is equal to KF times molality. Now delta TF, we know that it is the depression in the freezing point, correct? So here water we know it is 0 degree Celsius. So we say 0 minus, we can say freezing point of the solution, correct? So freezing point of the solution should be lower than the freezing point of the solution of water. That's why 0 minus TF. We say TF of the, okay, TF of the solution, correct? Equal to KF, it is given as 1.86 times molality. We know number of moles of the solute. So number of moles of the solute means we can write it as W1 by M1, molecular mass of the solute, divided by mass of the solvent, W2. If it is in gram, what you need to do, multiply by 1000, correct? Now let's substitute and see what is the value that is coming. Okay, so 0 minus TF, we know it is minus TF minus TF of the solution, okay, is equal to 1.86 into 1.86 into W1. W1 is 68.5, correct? Divided by molecular mass of sucrose. I think that is given in the question. Okay, it is given as you could see here 342. So I can substitute that. So here 342 will come into picture. Okay, then W2 they have told 1000 grams. So I will keep it as 1000. Then here 1000 will come into picture. So let's rearrange. So minus TF of the solution is equal to 1.86 into 68.5 into 1000 divided by 342 into 1000. So 1000 cancels off. So you can calculate this value, that is 68.5 into 1.86, okay, divided by 342 will come into picture, correct? So if you calculate this, you will get a decimal value, that is 0.372, 0.372 degree Celsius. Now, so tell me TF of the solution will be then how much? I can say, please take care the sign convention, very important. TF of the solution minus will go here. So I can say 0 minus 0.372 0.372 degrees Celsius. So that means that you are having water alone, okay, water alone. So it is having a freezing point of 0 degrees Celsius, freezing point. Now you have water plus sucrose is there. Now what happened when you added the non-volatile solute into this one? Freezing point changed to minus 0.372 degrees Celsius. That is, it has decreased. Correct. It has underwent a decrease, or we say depression happened. Okay, let's see whether this option is there in the uh, given options actually. So minus 0.372 degrees Celsius. Option A corresponds to that answer. So I can say option A is my answer. So if you have understood our explanation, you can subscribe the channel. And if you need more theories, lectures, and any support, you can contact Brainiacs classes. Thank you.